Hello everyone, welcome to Danny Kitchen Mafia. Today we're gonna show you how to slice the thin paper of Daikon by the machine. So it's difficult to use hand to do the thin slice of the Daikon. Even though the professional chef take a lot of time. So today we're gonna use the Chiba Peel turning slicer machine. So this one we use in the restaurant. The tool we're gonna have the peeler. Okay, of course, Daikon, knife, and ice water. So after we cut the Daikon, like shredded the Daikon, we're gonna put in the ice water, soak in the ice water to get it all of the smell of the Daikon, and wash until the Daikon look like crystal clear. Okay, we're gonna start now. So first thing, we're gonna cut the Daikon and peel the Daikon. So we're gonna cut the Daikon in half. And then for the machine, we're gonna put the Daikon in here, stick in the center, and we'll use the stick to hold another side of the Daikon. So because we lost of the stick, so we use the moribashi or the chopstick. Okay, we're gonna start. So the right hand we're gonna spin, and left hand we're gonna control with the blade, right, together. Okay. Finish with the first one. So all the Daikon is gonna come like this, with the thin slice, like even and thin all the way through. So we're gonna do that. Another one, do the same way. Stick in the center, and hold another side with the chopstick. Okay, finished. So the rest of the Daikon we're gonna keep to make the spicy Daikon. Everything used, not throw away. So this is the whole Daikon. So don't worry about the not completely full sheet like this. So because when we cut, we're gonna stack it up. Use the full sheet, nice full sheet underneath. I make the layer, stack it up. So now we float in half like this to make it easy to cut. Now we're gonna start to cut the daikon. So your left hand try to control the distance of the daikon during the time you slide. So we're gonna use the sharp knife, slide through like this. It's not like sharp. We're gonna slide like this. Start with the top to the end. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start. So the relationship between left hand and right hand. So during the time right hand slide, left hand move. So you can start slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have like this 10 slides. So you're gonna soak everything in the ice water. Okay, now we continue to finish everything. Again, when you hold the knife, we're gonna hold the knife like this. Use the finger, press with your power a little bit. This one can control the direction, left, straight, right. So this one gonna control everything, and then you hold the grip like firmly. So now we done everything. So all the daikon that soak in the ice water like this. So we're gonna clean up, wash and rinse the daikon with the ice water at least 5 times to get rid of the smell of the daikon. So first thing, we have the tubo. Open the water. Make sure it's cold with the ice, because sometimes your water is warm or hot. So make sure that is cold. After this, put all the daikon. Then use the chopstick. Try to clean and scrape the daikon as much as you can, so to get rid of the smell of the daikon. do like this at least 4 or 5 times until daikon has no smell and all the daikon is clear. Okay, it's finished, so you can see daikon is nice and clear and crispy. So now we try to make the hole, make it easy for the water to drop all the way to the bottom. Wrap it. Just wrap the top so protect for anything that can be fall down on top of the daikon, so but we still open and let the air go through, make it dry. So after this we're gonna make it dry overnight until tomorrow. We're gonna use for the decoration of the sashimi plate. Okay, that is for today. Thank you for watching the channel. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the thumb up or press share. See you next clip. Thank you.